my koutou. Hi, my name is Breana.
And mua today, WINTON School. I'm Lily. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rapidi, the 5th of March.
Okay, Thursday is Rapidi, and that means their touch practice is on, so listen up.
All year 5 to 6 teams meet on the field across the road at 12:45, and all year 3 to 4 teams meet outside room 11 at 12:45. All year 1 to 2 teams, you have practices tomorrow.
All senior relay runners meet Mrs. Collett on the Eglinton Street field at interval for another practice.
That's right now for all team members, including reserves, and it's a must-do. Kia ora.
And it's Senior Athletics Day tomorrow, so make sure you are prepared and bring your PE gear to school.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is Te Waipounamu, which is Te Reo for the South Island.
No te Waipounamu te Pounamu. Greenstone is from the South Island.
Sandpit news. Please keep all those toys in the pit. Thank you.
Sports equipment. We need it all returned at the end of every play and lunchtime.
That means baseball mitts, bats, balls, everything. Kia ora.
School council to meet Mr. Wadsworth at 12:30 in the hall with their lunch, please.
No birthdays at WINTON School today, so that's all for the day. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo.
Haere rā, WINTON School.